How to report employee stock purchase plan ESPP. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about how can you report employee stock purchase plan ESPP or sales in H&R Block. So reporting an employee stock purchase plan sales in H&R Block for the tax year 2024 involves accurately entering the relevant information into your tax return. Here is a general guide on how to report ESPP sales. First of all, you have to collect all the relevant documents related to your ESPP transactions for the tax year, including Form 1099B from your brokerage or financial institution. This form will provide information about the sale of ESPP shares, including the sale price and the cost basis. Next, log into your H&R Block account and navigate to the section of the tax return where you report investment income or capital gains. This section may be labeled investment income or stocks, mutual funds, bonds, or other depending on the version of the H&R Block software you're using. Enter ESPP sale information. Follow the prompts to enter the information from your Form 1099B into the appropriate fields in H&R Block. You'll typically need to enter the details such as sale date, sale price, cost basis, any adjustment or adjustment to basis. Next, H&R Block will automatically calculate the gain or loss on the sale of your ESPP shares based on your information you provide. Ensure that the calculations are accurate and reflect the actual proceeds from the sale. Once you have reported all ESPP sales and other relevant information, continue with completing the rest of your tax return in H&R Block. Follow the prompts to review and file your return electronically. Then after, retain copies of all the documents related to your ESPP transactions, including Form 1099B and any other statements or records provided by your brokerage or financial institution. These documents may be needed for future reference in the event of an IRS inquiry. By following these steps and accurately reporting your ESPP sales in H&R Block for the tax year 2024, you can ensure compliance with the tax laws and regulations regarding investment income and capital gains. If you have any questions or concerns about reporting ESPP sales, consider consulting with a tax professional for assistance. This was all about reporting employee stock purchase plan ESPP or sales in H&R Block. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.